There's always something wrong with this car. You could literally watch YouTube videos on this tablet. Sometimes bigger is always better. Today we are going to be installing a Tesla screen on the Civic. Today we are going to be upgrading this 7-inch screen. I think it's a 6.5, 7-inch or 6.5 screen into a 9-inch screen. You could see that the screen is a couple inches bigger than this one itself. God damn, you could see the major difference, and that's what we're going to be installing today. So in the package, it also comes with your wiring harness. You could literally have 4G, your other necessities if you want it. Like there's a microphone on here. I think this is also a GPS tracker. Comes with 2 trim tools, so it's a lot easier to pry it out. I already have tools, but this is definitely nice that they include this. Now it's just transfer these air controls and transfer the hazard, these vents, and then once we do that, we should be able to pop this thing back in. The AC controls are finally out, and I also have this teared apart because I also want to convert this to LED. Other than that, I just converted these. It's kind of like halogen little tiny bulb, and I converted to LED, so I popped these in here. That way it's nice and white. Oh, f***, I got shaky hand. Aircon controls are on, even the hazard is on. Just need to put these air vents on. Plasticky items and the materials that they use on these older Hondas, they tend to break a lot, and that's just the beauty of older Hondas, I guess. And look at that! Finally wired everything in. These are LED now. For some reason, I replaced this one. I guess it doesn't light up, but screw it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. There you go. She's somewhat clean. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Oh god, I think I need a haircut. But it is the next day. We have everything attached, and as you guys saw, we were washing the car last night, so the car is a lot cleaner now. I do have a screen protector on here just for now until I get a real screen protector, so that's why that's that, because I could take this off if I want to, but I don't want to scratch it up yet. I want to get a custom screen protector so I could protect this. If you're not already connected, you're gonna have to set it up. I believe you have to click this, and then it should be able to link you up. Pretty huge, and I cannot say that enough. You could literally watch YouTube videos on this tablet, which is crazy. You could literally be chilling and then you're driving and then boom. I wouldn't recommend it, of course, but yeah, I mean, that's sick. And then also these are your volume controls, so you could turn up or down. Look at that, it's playing the video just fine. Isn't that crazy? And so it's playing the video just fine, and it literally works like a tablet. You could also do your Netflix in here if you wanted to. You could actually go on Chrome too, I kid you not. Literally go on the internet, look some car parts up if you wanted to, order from here. Could literally go to the Play Store so you could download some apps, probably play some video games on here. There's all kinds of stuff that you could do. You could mess the EQ up. Siri works as well, so let me show you guys. Hey Siri, play Pure Cocaine. There you go. I don't want to play it all the way because YouTube will copyright me, but you guys heard a little bit of it. If you wanted to charge your phone, you could attach these 2 USBs, and they actually, both of these charge. So not only you could charge your phone, you could charge your friends. I ran on and on about this radio, but that is basically it. What's going on, guys? We are back at it again, and unfortunately, we gotta fix this. So the car currently has a fat exhaust leak. We are going to be replacing that. We bought a new test pipe. The reason why I bought a new test pipe is because it's actually leaking on this section right here of the car, it should fix the issue of it leaking. The nightmare doesn't stop there. I kid you not. Now we also gotta fix an oil leak. A little bit of remnants right here because I was trying to clean it up. Oil pan gasket is I think some cheap Velcro. So we are gonna also be replacing that today and hopefully getting this thing back on the road again. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Honestly, the previous owner took very good care of it. I think I wouldn't have a problem. Hopefully this should work and this should seal up the oil pan gasket. This is probably like the 5th time I've probably taken these out. God damn, bruh. There's always something wrong with this car. The whole test pipe, it just came completely off. Still kind of wet. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but it's definitely oil for sure. As you can see, it was pretty bad and it was scraping on the ground because the exhaust just fell off. It actually broke off this flange. As you can see, it's not supposed to look like that. So the oil pan gasket finally out. Oil pan gasket has definitely seen better days. We're gonna just clean this pan, put on this new gasket, and then basically seal this back up, put the exhaust on, and it should be able to not leak. Came back from the auto store. I got a new gasket. This one fits a lot better. As you can see, it's not mangled. All right, so I got everything cleaned out the best I can. Oil pan gasket is finally on. You can actually see some of the Permatex around this pan. The new cat is on and it's pretty sturdy. Probably just gonna let this Civic sit like this overnight so that way the gasket on the oil pan could dry, and then put some fresh oil in the morning. After that, we can finally take the Civic out for a ride just to see if this will leak any more oil or have an exhaust leak. We finally have the Civic off the jack. The oil pan has finally dried up, so hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Start this up and it should be a lot quieter and hopefully it shouldn't leak anymore. Doesn't sound like it's leaking the middle anymore. But other than that, that is really it. Thank you guys for 190K. We're 10K away from 200K, baby. And yeah, my birthday is actually coming real soon, so I'll probably have a birthday video coming up. Just kind of following up with that, but just stay tuned for that. Make sure to follow all the socials down below. I love you guys all, and I'll see you guys next time.